Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will embark on a full day tour of one of Australia's most scenic coastal drives, the Great Ocean Road. This 243-kilometer coastal drive that runs along the southeastern coast of Australia is one of the most popular tourist routes and is known for its spectacular natural beauty and iconic landmarks. Many people choose to drive the road themselves, but several tour operators offer guided coach and bus tours. In this video, we will be embarking on a guided bus tour and our journey will start in Melbourne CBD where we will be picked up by a tour operator at 7 am in the morning. It's 7 am and our tour operator arrives to pick us up from our hotel in Melbourne. We board the comfortable bus and meet our friendly tour guide who gives us a brief overview of the day ahead. After a scenic drive through the countryside, we arrive at our first stop of the day, Angel Sea Visitor Centre, where we will stop for a quick morning tea with freshly baked cookies and lamingtons. Some tour operators stop at the iconic Bells Beach, which is a premier surf spot known for its massive waves and scenic ocean views. While you enjoy your morning tea, spend time walking around and snap photos before heading to the Memorial Arch. It's customary to stop at the Memorial Arch as it provides a picturesque backdrop for photos. The Arch is a popular stop for visitors to the Great Ocean Road, as it offers a chance to learn about the history of the road and pay tribute to those who contributed to its construction. After 15 minutes of visit and 30 minutes of travel, we arrive at the stunning Erskine Falls, one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Great Otway National Park. The surrounding area is known for its rugged coastal landscapes, lush rainforests, and diverse wildlife. We take a short hike to the base of the falls and take in the incredible natural beauty of the rainforest. You can also spend time spotting koalas nestled comfortably in the trees while munching on eucalyptus leaves. Our next stop is at the quaint seaside town of Apollo Bay, where we have some free time to explore the town's many cafes, shops, and art galleries. We have a quick lunch, grab some coffee, and take a stroll around the beach, admiring the stunning views of the ocean. Next up on our itinerary is a visit to the Cape Otway Lighthouse, the oldest surviving lighthouse near Apollo Bay. There we learn about the history of the lighthouse and its role in the region's maritime history. We also get to see stunning panoramic views of the rugged coastline and the Southern Ocean. After this, we take a 75-minute drive to Port Campbell National Park, where we see the three highlights of the tour: Lockhart Gorge, 12 Apostles, and Gibson Steps. First, we stop at Lockhart Gorge, which features a narrow gorge and a sheltered beach, and learn about the tragic shipwreck that took place in 1878. We take a scenic walk along the beach and explore the shipwreck remains of the Lockhart ship. The gorge is known for its natural beauty, impressive coastal rock formations, crystal clear water, and rich marine life. As the day draws close, our tour takes us to the highlight of the day, the 12 Apostles. This series of limestone stacks, rising majestically out of the ocean, is one of Australia's most iconic natural landmarks. The stacks reach heights of up to 45 meters and a spectacular sight, particularly at sunset when the stacks are lit up by the setting sun. The final stop on tour before heading back to Melbourne is Gibson Steps. Located at the base of the 12 Apostles, the steps lead down to a beach area. The steps are carved into the cliff face and provide a dramatic and steep descent to the beach below. The beach is only accessible during low tide and offers an up-close perspective of the limestone stacks and the surrounding coastal scenery. After a long day of exploring, we head back to Melbourne, arriving at our hotel at around 9 pm. We are tired but exhilarated by the stunning scenery and unforgettable experiences of the day. And that's a wrap up on our Great Ocean Road adventure. I hope you enjoyed following along on our journey and that it has inspired you to add this to your Australian road trip as part of your travel bucket list. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Subscribing to any channel is free for you and it helps content creators like us in a big way. While you're at it, hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us. To keep watching more content from my channel, check out the videos on the next screen.